Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we upload our YouTube videos, and this is actually going to be a live upload. So I'm here on YouTube right now, and this is our dashboard, and I'm going to show you the exact process that I do when I'm uploading the videos. I'm the one who uploads the videos. Arit is the one who comes up with all the text. So by text, I mean titles, description, tags, all that kind of stuff Arit comes up with, and then I input all of this information when I'm uploading the videos, and I'll show you our strategy and our process and how we make it easy, because we are uploading 4 to 6 videos a week, and that can get pretty crazy. So here's our process. First thing is Arit puts everything on a Google Docs spreadsheet that we both share. So I have access to this and she has access to this. And she lays it all out really simply and easily so that I can just copy and paste from here to the uploading section on YouTube. So you can see here the title of the video. It's how to keep a journal every day, what I use and how I stay consistent. The tags, these are all going to be the tags. The description, this is going to be the description. So Arit does this beforehand, and make sure that you guys watch her videos on how to get a proper title, tags, and description done, because when you learn that, then you can do this and then just copy and paste when I start showing you the uploading process. So first thing is I take a look at this and I see the file name for the thumbnail and the video. Now, this is really important because you want your video to have this as a file name. So how to keep a journal every day. Arit has done some keyword research to find out, okay, this is what people are searching, so we need this to be the file name of the video, and it also matches the title. Alright, so I've already edited this video, and I'm gonna find it and start uploading this video. So, okay, it was called How to Keep a Journal Every Day. So we'll head over here to our videos, and I'm just going to type in the word journal for quick search. Okay, so here's the video. You see how it's titled here? This is the way you want to do the file name for your video. You want to make sure to have these underscore dashes. They're not dashes, they're the underscores in between each word, exactly how you see here, and Arit will have explained this if you watched her video. Alright, so this is the title of the video. Now let's upload it. So I'm gonna click upload, and there's a number of different ways to get to this, but usually when you first get in there and you go into the creator dashboard, so you head into the creator studio when you sign in, then it takes you to this dashboard, and then you just click upload. Okay, so from here, you just click on this, select files to upload, and we'll just go through and find that exact video. Okay, so here it is right here, and we'll just double click, and now the video is going to start to upload. So I just want to point out something really quickly. You might notice that your YouTube looks a little bit different. Don't worry about this little logo here, TB, like you'll see it all over the place. This is actually a different software that we have on top of YouTube, so just ignore that. I will be talking about this later on, but you don't need to worry about that right now if you're wondering why it looks different. Alright, so while this video is uploading, I'm going to go back to that Google Docs sheet, and I'm going to copy and paste the information. So it's all done and it's ready to go. And I just go and copy and paste. So the title, I'm gonna click Control C, head back to the uploading page, and click Control V. That's the title. Going back, I want the tags. I'm gonna highlight everything, click Control C. Control C is like copy. You can also go File, Copy. Go over to the tags, Control V. And then all the tags are popped in there. Now we want the description. This is going to be a little bit longer. So I'm just going to highlight everything here. And this is the bottom here. To replay this video is always the bottom. So Control C, head over to the video, and then Control V to paste it. And I'm just going to delete these brackets. YouTube doesn't like these kinds of brackets. So as you can see, I just did the title, the description, and tags really quickly. Now when you set yourself up like that, it makes it really simple to do. So before, you know, we would come up with the title on the spot and not do proper research, come up with the tags just thinking of whatever in our head, and then the description we would just type out whatever we felt like, and it would take a lot longer. So for the description, I do a couple of things. I like to just space things out a little bit, so I'm going to do this. I like to make things really easy for people to read. I learned this from a very popular blogger, and they would write a couple of sentences and then do a space, write a couple of sentences, and when you can make things easy for people to read, they will read it. If you make it all look like one gigantic essay, it's not very appealing to read. So I just do that. I just space things out accordingly. And okay. Maybe I'll add some stars here to get people's attention. That's good. All right, so that is it for that part. Now let's do the playlist. So, quick note. When you schedule your videos, you will lose this section to do the playlist. So I'll show you what I mean. So if I go schedule, if I do this first, it's going to take out the playlist section. So what you need to do is go back to public, do your playlists first, and then set it to scheduled. So I'll show you what I mean. So now we need to know what playlists this goes in. So this goes in 3 playlists. Reed accidentally put 2, but it's actually 3. So it's the Thursday playlist, How to Be Happy playlist, and Motivational Videos for Success playlist. So let's add this to our playlist. So Thursday, Mind Thrive Thursdays, How to Be Happy playlist, and Motivational Videos for Success playlist. So you can see here we've added it to 3 playlists. Now we can go over and set it to what day we want to schedule it. This video is for Thursday. It's Wednesday evening right now, so this video is going to go out for Thursday. I had already scheduled this prior, but because I needed to show you guys, I deleted it and I did it again. So usually we have our videos scheduled a bunch of days ahead so that we're not doing it every night the day before. Next, you want to head over to the advanced settings. I always do the recording date as today, then head back over to basic info. And now we need to do our custom thumbnail. So the thumbnail is that tiny picture that you see before you click on the video. So it grabs your attention. Now you can do a custom thumbnail, or you can have the preset thumbnails, and YouTube gives you 3 options. They basically go a little bit in the beginning, a little bit in the middle, and a little bit at the end, and whatever those 3 are, that's what you get to choose from. And you know, a lot of the times they're not that great, so it's best to do a custom thumbnail, because when you can create your own image, especially an eye-catching, engaging image, and other people aren't doing this, then you'll stand out and your videos will get clicked more. So I do our thumbnails on a program called Photoshop. This is also a paid software, but you can find it around on the internet, and you can also use something called Photor, which Arit also explained in another video. So make sure to check that video out. She explains how to do it for your YouTube banner, but you can also do this for your YouTube thumbnail. To keep things moving quickly with our YouTube thumbnails, we do them a certain way so that we can just get them out really quickly. Now you'll notice there are other people who do really crazy YouTube thumbnails and they spend a lot of time making them. We do so many videos per week that I set up a template so that I can just move a lot faster with this. I'll show you what our template is. So as you can see, we've got a bunch of things going on here. We've got 3 things actually going on here. We've got the main picture, which is both Arit and I behind our laptops. We've got this graphic right here of a notebook and a pen. And then we have the text here that says how to keep a journal every day. So those are the 3 main components. Now to do your own thumbnails, you need to choose a really good, engaging, eye-catching photo. Typically, I would suggest that this photo be of you looking into the camera so that it looks like you're looking at them. This is like a psychological thing. Now, if we just had a really nice scenery or a cartoon character or just like something that wasn't us, it wouldn't be as engaging. So after you've gotten your main photo, that's like the base of the thumbnail, right? That stays the same all the time in our thumbnails. This section right here is usually where a different picture goes, and then this section right here is the text that also changes. So I'm just gonna show you on our YouTube channel what I mean. Okay, so this is our videos page. Don't pay attention to this because this I haven't set the thumbnail for. But as you can see, we have the same photo going on, but different icons and different text happening. So all we change is the picture and the text. Now, when you see videos like this, where it doesn't have any of that, and it's a screenshot of us in the video, those are like the special videos. Those are like the adventure vlog type videos. So those aren't really the tutorial videos. So as you can see here, there's a bunch of different things. So this one right here was about How the Secret Changed My Life. That was a book that Rhonda Byrne actually sent me. This is where I'm doing a review of an iHome speaker that we just got. This is a video where I'm talking about Craigslist. So as you can see, you can tell like right away what the video is about because it's got a giant like picture and it has huge text saying what it is. So how to set up umbrella lights, TubeBuddy review, amazing resource on titling, and it says merch by Amazon. So because we have the main picture and we change that image in the middle between our heads and the titles, it makes it really easy to do. I don't like to spend a huge amount of time doing these thumbnails because I just want to get the video up. So in Photoshop, and you can do this in Photor, in whatever a picture editing software that you have, you get your main picture and you add the image of what you're talking about. So if you're talking about cats or something, put a cat in the middle. If you're talking about growing carrots in your garden, put that in the picture. And the text, you know, this is not the entire title of our video. I shortened it to get the main point across. You don't want to have huge long text because you just want to get straight to the point, and when you have longer text, it gets smaller and smaller, harder to read. So you want to have the least amount of text with getting the point across. Arit was mentioning that, you know, in Photor there are different templates that you can use. There's a YouTube thumbnail template in there that you can use. So that is how we do our thumbnails. Now I'm just going to go back to the uploading process, and the video is pretty much done. It's just waiting for me. So now I need to upload the custom thumbnail. So I've already created this, and your thumbnail file name is also that same file name that I was talking about for the video. So I'll show you what I mean. So you see here how to keep a journal every day. That's the same file name of the video. That's the one I want. I've already created this. It did not take me very long. It takes me a couple, like less than 5 minutes to do. You know, sometimes I have a hard time finding a picture if it's talking about something that isn't as easy to find a picture for, but usually it takes me less than 5 minutes to do. So I'm going to double click, upload that. All right, so now we have our thumbnail. Now that's going to save draft there. All right, so now that has changed, how to keep a journal every day. That's going to be the thumbnail that people see. I'm going to click publish. All right, so once that's done, I'm going to head back to the Creator Studio. I'm going to click on the video. I'm going to grab the link from the top, scroll down a bit. I'm going to click this pencil that says info and settings to edit. Do not click this one because for some reason it has a glitch and it messes up your links. So don't use that to edit your description. Always use this one right here. So click that. So I'm going to scroll down. Scroll all the way down to the bottom in the description and paste that link that we just copied. Control V. Okay, make sure you save changes. Head back to the video. Make sure it's all good. Just click the thumbs up. Give yourself the first thumbs up to get the ball rolling for everyone. And that is it. That is our uploading process. Once you have the Google Docs sheet, once you have the easy template for your thumbnail, it makes the process a lot easier. Alright guys, well that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.